Right, hello Year 7. Our final lesson in our geography booklet is all about the lines of latitude and longitude throughout the Earth. So, the Earth is obviously the third planet from the Sun, it is the fifth largest, and it is the only one that human beings can at present inhabit. It's the only one that's capable of supporting life. Now, ever since human beings have sort of began to travel around the world, they've always wanted to be able to map out where specific locations in the Earth are, and one of the tools at our disposal are the lines of longitude and latitude. So I'm going to start off with latitude. So latitudinal lines, they run horizontally all around the Earth, and they run parallel because they are always an equal distance from one another. So each line of latitude is approximately 69 miles from the next one. I'll explain how that works. So they use degrees as a way to measure it. So if you go to the equator, so the most central point of the Earth, which would be this line here, okay, this means that it is at 0 degrees latitude. And the lines run from 0 to 90 north and south. So if you were at 90 degrees north, you would be at the North Pole. If you were at 90 degrees south, you would be at the South Pole. So each line from 0, from 1 to 2, all the way up to 90, both north and south, correlate to various points on our map. The next one are lines of longitude, and these lines of longitude run vertically north to south, and they're known as meridians. Now, each of those is also measured by degrees, and they're also about 69 miles apart. 0 degrees longitude would be located at Greenwich in England. So, here is our map of the world, here is our globe. Greenwich is located in the United Kingdom, so 0 runs straight down through Greenwich. Now, if you were to go east or west, that would add on degrees to it, and as you would work round, you would go all the way round to 180 east or west, whichever way that you travel. So, depending on where you are in the world, you can get a measurement of it, you can get a precise location using longitude and latitude in order to work out where you are. So, if we were to cut the Earth in half, okay, here we have our equator at 0, and here we have our various degree lines all the way up to 90, which would be the North Pole, and then it goes back around the other side, and so on. So those are your lines of latitude. And longitude is exactly the same thing, but instead of chopping it vertically down the middle, you go across, and here we have prime meridian, which is located where Greenwich is, so that would be 0, and then you would go east or west, and you would add on your various degrees to that point. So what you need to do for today's lesson is you're going to get a big long list of places throughout the Earth. And what you've got to do is you need to work out the longitude and the latitude of them. Now, this is quite a tricky task to do, because not only do you need to locate where the specific areas are in the Earth, but you then need to be very, very precise in measuring what specific degrees is that place located at. So we'll give you tons and tons of help with this, and hopefully you'll be able to master it, and that will be the end of your Planet Earth topic. So, thank you very much, Year 7.